Hi, I'm Hina. My team members are Gokila, Maldi, and Paspati. First, we go to the project. Then, this is my project name, that is to supply leftover food to poor. Here, first we go to the project, then access resources, then go to the guided projects, go to workspace. This is my project details. Then, first we create a account. Here it is the link to create an account in developer. Here, here it is the we already create an account. This is my project's output. Then next we create a object. First one is create a venue object. And next drop off task volunteer execution detail. Here it is 5 objects. First one is create venue object. From the setup page, click on object manager. Then if we to go to setup page, here we go to object manager. Those who are not create a object, go to create custom object. We already create a object. First one is venue. Here it is my venue object. Then next one is volunteer. Here it is my volunteer object. Then next one is execution. Here it is my execution detail object. Then next one is task. Here it is a task option. We are already create the object. The next one is drop off. Here it is a drop off point object. Those we are create those 5 objects. Then next one is tabs. Create a custom tab. Go to setup page, type tab in quick find bar. This is my setup page. In this quick find box, type tabs. Here it is a tabs. Here you can see this 5 objects: drop off points, execution detail, task, venues, and volunteers. These are we already create the tabs. The tab style or your choice. Then next one is the lightning app. Create a lightning app. In go to setup page, search app manager. And in our setup page, this is our setup page. In quick find, we type a app manager. Here it is a app manager. Here, who are those not create a lightning app, go to the new lightning app. We already create a lightning app, that is the food connect. It's my lightning app. Here it is my lightning app food connect. So you follow the instructions of the lightening up. This clear. Then fields. Here it is a so many fields. There are same process. First one is creation of relationship field in object. First one, go to setup page. Here it is our setup page. Then next, click on object manager. Here or click on object manager. In object we type a volunteer in search bar. Here we type a volunteer. Here it is our object name volunteer. And then field and relationship. Who not create a label name, go to new. In this field and relationship, select master detail relationship data type. The related object is drop off point. In this label name is drop off point, in which data type master detail relationship data type. That is, we already created a drop off point label name. Then next one is master detail relationship field on execution detail. Click on object manager, type execution detail. In this object manager, in quick find box we type a execution. In this execution detail, then field and relationship. Or not create a label name, go to new. We are already create a label name, that is volunteer is the object. In which data type? Master detail relationship data type. Here it is volunteer, data type is master detail relationship. In same way, click on object manager, type object name is execution detail, master detail relationship data type. In what object? Task object. Same, here it is task, that is a field label name, and which data type? Master detail relationship data type. And then lookup relationship field on drop off point. And this we go to the object manager, and in search quick find box, drop off point. Here it is our object drop off point. Go to the field and relationship. Here we go to field and relationship, and then who are not create, go to new. Then I have already created the fields, that is venue field in lookup relationship. Here it is that venue label name in lookup relationship data type. Next one is in task we are also create the venue data types sponsored by field name. Go to setup and then object manager, the quick find type task. In quick find we type the task. Here the task field and relationship. Here it is sponsored by, that is a field name, in which data type? Lookup relationship data type. The next same, the task object lookup relationship drop off point. Here it is. Here it is the drop off point label name, and which data type? Lookup relationship data type. And then these all fields are same process. You can follow the instruction. Then we come to the flows. Create a flow. Go to setup type flow in quick find box. We are all in setup. In quick find box, we type the flow. There is a flow. Who are all not create a flow, go to the new flow. We already create a flow. That is the venue form. This is we create a flow. In flow, under the screen property, the label name is venue detail. In this screen property, the label name is venue detail. There is the venue detail. In this component, we search the component name is text. That is, we drag and put in the venue form. Drag and put in the venue form. That is the property name is venue name. Then email, then phone, then venue location, latitude and longitude. Then finally, we click the finish and done. We already created the venue details. Then next one is click the create record element. In this, when click the create records, that label name is create venue record. This is the create venue records. And this create venue records, we includes the set of fields values. This is the field values. That's all, the flows are over. Then next one is trigger. This is a trigger. Log into the Trailhead account. We are already logging into the Trailhead account. Then we go to the gear icon and click on developer console. Here we click on developer console, open link in new tab. Here it is. The developer console is open. Here the developer console is open. You will not create a trigger. Go to the file and new and Apex trigger. Here the name is drop off trigger. Here the object name is drop off point and click submit. So I already create a drop off trigger. Go to open and entity type is trigger, drop off trigger. This is the code of drop off trigger. Then go to file and save and go to test, then run all. That's all, the trigger is over. Then this is a trigger code. We put a code in this developer console. The next one is profile. Go to the setup page, type profile in quick find box. In setup page, the quick find box, we type the profiles. Here it is the profiles. You are not create the profile. Go to yes. Beside of the standard platform user, click clone. But I already create the profile. So I go to profile, then click N. There is the NGO's profile. I already create the profile name, that is the NGO's profile. So then we go to create a users. First one is go to setup page, type user. Here I am in setup page. The quick find box, we type a users. Here it is the users. Here who are not create the user names, so go to new user. But I already create the user. Here who are not create the user, give the first name, last name, alias, email, username and license profile. There is the Iksha Foundation. I already create the 3 NGOs profile name, that is Iksha Foundation, NSS, Streetcars. So that is the users. Here it is creation of user 1. This you follow the instruction also. There is a Iksha Foundation, NSS, Streetcars. Then next we go to the public groups. Go to setup, type public groups in quick find. In setup page, the quick find box, we type public groups. Here it is public groups. Who are not create the public groups, go to new. I already create these 3 public groups, that is Iksha, NSS, Streetcars. That is we created public groups. First one is create on new, under information group information Iksha, that is the label name is Iksha. I create all 3 public groups. Then report types, create a report types. Go to setup. Here in setup page, the quick find box, we type a report types. Here it is report types. Click the continue button and then who are not create the report types, go to new custom report type. I already create the report types, that is renew with, drop off with, volunteer. That is the already create the data report types. This is the report types we created. Then next one is reports. Creation of report on renew with, drop off with, volunteer. Go to app Food Connect. Here we go to the app launcher. In app launcher we search Food Connect. Here it is a Food Connect. Which one we create a app, that is a Food Connect app. In this Food Connect app, we click the report tabs. Here, click on the report tabs, click on new folder. Here, who are not create the reports, go to the new folder. We already create the folder, that is a custom reports. The new folder is open like this. Here folder label name is custom reports. Here also custom reports. Then save. Here it is a custom reports folder. Then we create a venue with drop off with volunteer. This is a report type. Then we click to the new report and click the venue and drop off point. This is a venue and drop off point. Then that report name is venue and drop off point. That is a venue and drop off point. Then next one is creation of report and volunteers with execution detail and task. There is a Food Connect app. Go to the report tabs, custom report folder. The report name is volunteer with execution detail, and then the label name is volunteer task. That is the volunteer task. In custom report folder, report name is volunteer task. We all created those reports. Then go to the dashboard. Add venue and drop off point report to the dashboard. We go to the app launcher and search in Food Connect. Already we are in Food Connect, so we do not to search. We don't to search. Then we go to the dashboard tab. Here in dashboard tab, you are not create a dashboard. Go to the new folder and create custom dashboard. In new dashboard, this is a task execution detail. First one is venue drop off point report. This is a venue and drop off point report. This is a report of our task execution detail dashboard. Next one is adding volunteer task report to the dashboard. Next one is volunteer task. This is a volunteer task dashboard. Then next one is adding a picture to the dashboard. We add a picture in the dashboard. It is optional, but also we upload the image in the dashboard. That is this picture in dashboard. Then next one is sharing rules. Then go to the setup. In quick find box, type the sharing settings. In quick find box, type the sharing settings. This is a sharing settings. In this, we click on drop off point sharing, scroll down. Then we scroll down where the drop off point sharing rules is there. Here it is a drop off point sharing rules. Here we already create these three rules. First rule, rule 1, rule 2, rule 3. First one is ICSHA, second one is NSS, third one is streetcars. This is we already create a rules in drop off point sharing rules. That's all. Then home page. We already create a home page. Then come to the setup. Here go to the Lightning App Builder. Here search in quick find box. We type App Builder. Here it is the Lightning App Builder. Who are not create the app builder, go to the new. But I already create a Lightning pages, that is home pages. That is go to the this home page. That is my app. Food Connect app is home page. This is my home page. Like this, my home page is created. Then this project is completed successfully. This is my project to supply leftover food to poor, completed successfully. Thank you.